Yeah, hi Alan, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, your first one is done. This is number one laser for you. Okay, you can see that there. There's the date and the number one there, if you can see that number one. I think it's the lights. We just covered over so you can see that there, look. The lights in the way there. So okay, basically on this one, very clean part, nice and clean, which is good, and it's not been opened and broken like most of them have. Really good unit. So I've basically degreased it. You know, a lot of the grease on there. I don't know why people whack so much grease in there because it's not needed. And giving it a good clean the microswitch, check the microswitch, that was a little bit grubby. Just giving it an overhaul and check the board and everything, and it's all working as it should be. So I'm just going to put it on there for you so you can see it all light up and go. Let me just turn the music up for you. I always play this CD because there's no copyright on it, because I put other CDs on, and what happens is YouTube put a silence on the videos, and you can't hear it playing because it's copyrighted music. So a bit of a pain, to be honest with you. So yeah, this is my golden oldie CD here, and that's, you know, that's working as it should be. I'll just turn it down. So that's number one for you. Okay, so that's going to be shipped out with the other one as soon as I've got it, and I'll upload the other video for you. So thank you very much for your business, and I do appreciate it. If you need to contact me, just contact me direct now, because eBay, we're trying to get off of eBay now because of all the aggro with the postage and you know, the payment system. Now you've got to wait 4 days for your money. So yeah, anything else you need, just give us a shout. You've got a 6-month warranty on this anyway. So thank you very much, Alan. Really appreciate it.